Nanoplastics are everywhere. They're in the food we eat, the water we drink, the clothes we wear, and even in the air we breathe. Now, given that we produce 400 million tons of plastic every year, it is not surprising that they are ubiquitous, especially since they're constantly being generated by the degradation of larger plastics that we produce. And we are also constantly being exposed to these particles by inhalation, ingestion, and skin contact. Now, once internalized, these nanoplastics are here to stay. They are not degraded by our bodies. In fact, they produce a lot of toxic effects in our cells, in our organs, in our tissue systems. Now, we inhale about 22 million nanoplastics every year. And these inhaled nanoplastics accumulate inside our brains. Studies have shown a very strong correlation between nanoplastic exposure and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. This begs to question, how are these inhaled nanoplastics getting inside our brains? Well, my research proposes that these inhaled nanoplastics can travel through our nose via the olfactory bulb and access the privileged brain. Now, the olfactory sensory neurons in red project directly to the brain. These projections can be used as highways by inhaled nanoplastics to access the brain. We are besieged by nanoplastics, yet we understand very little of the transport dynamics inside our bodies, let alone our brains. So my research is going to bridge the gap in this understanding and provide a molecular and a cellular mechanism of nanoplastic transport to our brains. Thank you.